how avoiding eating breakfast can help you gain weight. When dieting, many people are tempted to skip breakfast as a way to cut back on the calories. Scientific studies have shown that avoiding this meal completely backfires on most dieters. Why? There are several reasons, but first and foremost is that you are setting your body's hunger level for the rest of the day. It's hard to keep on a diet when you are constantly thinking about food, right? Well, you can assure yourself of an easier time of it if you start your day out with a high-protein breakfast. The reason is simple: when you keep your blood sugar level steady, your hunger level remains steady, too. The second reason is that, as implied with the term break and fast, it's important to break the fast from your sleep state and wake up your body by eating. When you eat a quality breakfast, you literally fire up your metabolism and the rest of your body's functions. This increases your burn rate on calories throughout the day, something that we dieters are working towards anyway. There are other health benefits, too. When you eat breakfast consistently, you have an easier time processing fat through the liver. Your cognitive levels are stronger throughout the day. Your body will process insulin more efficiently, leading to healthier blood sugar levels. Now, before you start digging out the cereals and waffles, you need to make sure you are eating the right things for breakfast. Think protein and complex carbohydrates, like Canadian bacon and whole grains and fruits. The reason for this is if you eat processed items like white bread, pancakes, cold cereals or waffles, your blood sugar level will jump, causing your hunger level to return with a vengeance a few hours later. You want to focus on food that requires more of your body to digest. Think low-fat or non-fat plain yogurt with berries, whole grain breads like pumpernickel or stone ground whole wheat bread, steel cut or old-fashioned whole oats instead of instant oatmeal. Don't forget the lowly egg for breakfast. Nowadays, eggs are lower in cholesterol than those of years past. Scientific studies are indicating an egg a day has no harmful effects on your own cholesterol when combined with a healthy diet. In addition, evidence has shown those dieters who eat eggs for breakfast tend to feel fuller longer and consequently eat less throughout the day. A bonus for us dieters